This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into YouTube and choosing the device, browser, or mobile app. Once done, open a video and enable captions if you plan to enlarge subtitles. Captions are the target. Now tap the gear icon on desktop or the three dots / profile, then settings on mobile. Make sure your app is updated and you have access to accessibility or playback settings. This ensures the font controls appear. This is the very first actionable step that moves you directly into font adjustments. On desktop, click Settings on the player, choose Subtitles /CC, then Options. There you'll find a font size dropdown and color options. On mobile, go to Settings, Captions, or Accessibility, then Font Size. Select a preset like small, medium, large, or use a slider when available. Change style and background for legibility. Increasing contrast helps readability. Make sure to preview the video with captions on so you can judge whether the new size obstructs video content or provides clearer reading. After choosing a size and style, save or exit to apply settings and play another video to confirm consistency. If subtitle size options are limited, use browser zoom on desktop or system accessibility text scaling on mobile to increase on-screen text generally. If changes don't stick, restart the app, clear cache, or update YouTube. Sometimes old data blocks new settings. If captions still won't resize, toggle captions off and on. Then reapply size options. That often forces the player to refresh and show the update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.